about food establishments that are synonymous with St. Louis, Crown Candy Kitchen always comes up. Crown Candy is as iconic as the St. Louis Arch, but much older, operating for the last 110 years in the same building. Crown Candy is sort of a throwback to the classic soda fountain experience. On any given day of the week, lines regularly form down the sidewalk. Sandwiches, bacon and otherwise, milkshakes, homemade ice cream, and all manners of candy are popular orders here. All of that sounds great to me, but after learning that Crown Candy has been in the same family since the beginning, I want to get to know the jerk who runs it.
What's going on, y'all? Today, I wanted to take y'all on a little trip to a store that me and my wife adore. I mean, she loves their bacon BLT. Oh my goodness, and that's so much bacon that they put on that sandwich. I had to make a deal with her. Hey, we can't go but once a month, girl. But once a month. You don't need that bacon like that. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you like it, give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. You know what that is, right? That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it.
Old North St. Louis. Every morning starts before sunrise with deliveries and the smell of bacon cooking in the kitchen. That's where Andy Karanzev, Candy Andy as he's known, or one of the team, has already been kettle cooking an absurd amount of this stuff.
Well, I've been frying bacon since 4:30 this morning. I came in and got 6 pots of bacon done, so 90 pounds of bacon already done today.
How much bacon you sell in one day?
Oh no, that's just the start.
That's just the start.
We'll fry 300 pounds of bacon a day.
Oh, that's nuts.
We just fry.
So is that for the BLT?
Yeah, this is what 15 pounds of bacon looks like after it's been fried up.
I can't wait to see the system you have to get this out of the box and in there quick.
This is why we buy layout bacon.
Yeah, I can tell.
If it was slab bacon, I'd lose money with my employees having to pull this bacon apart all day long.
Man, they go through a lot of bacon, y'all. That's a lot of bacon. But people love it. The lines be crazy sometimes. Sometimes we'll roll up and wifey be like, maybe not today. We might go tomorrow. We just gonna come a little bit earlier because that line be crazy sometimes, y'all. Might take you 15, 20 minutes just standing in line waiting to get your order in. But it's all good though. Most of the time you don't mind, but if you really got something to do, you might have to keep it moving. But hey, they be good, y'all. They be good. Me, myself, I don't get the bacon sandwich. I usually get the Reuben. And that be good too. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it.
Years, Andy hasn't become immune to the lure of bacon. I don't know anybody who doesn't like bacon.
Right. I will probably have, on a typical day, before noon, probably 10, 12 pieces of bacon.
It's tough to walk by that thing right
correct.
there without
Fresh,
reaching in.
fried bacon.
Yeah, there's nothing better than
Yeah,
that.
and then if they cook it too crispy, that's my downfall. I love crispy bacon.
Okay.
So it's like, oh my God, they overcooked the bacon. I'm a little bit upset because you overcooked the bacon.
Yeah.
And I'm also a little bit like, oh, this overcooked bacon. Perfect.
Yeah. Do you know how much bacon you go through in a year?
Yeah, we go through about 23 to 24 tons of bacon a year. Tons.
Yeah, that's unbelievable.
It is.
My heart.
Just wow, y'all. That's a lot of damn bacon. That's a lot of bacon. 23 tons. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it.
Heart just like did a double take. Andy's grandfather was a Greek immigrant who brought his skills as a confectioner with him and opened Crown Candy in North St. Louis in 1913.
Family business. You've always got a job, but you've always got a job. 6 o'clock in the morning to come to work, and if I'm here for 8 hours, 10 hours, 14 hours, it's just what I do.
Yeah.
You know, so my father did. My father worked 6 days a week. He worked 13 hours a day. I hardly ever saw him because he was always here working.
Yeah.
My grandfather was the same way. My dad said that he just worked all the time. So, you know, it's just, that's what was instilled in me. Is I don't think twice about coming to work and doing this for as long as I have.
No, I mean, but you know, that's the restaurant business.
It is. All right, so it's all foamy on top. The foam means the bacon is just about done or it is done. So right there, it's probably the right level of doneness that I can pull this stuff out. I'll get this out of the way.
Alrighty then. It means it's time. It's time. It's bacon sandwich time, y'all. Let's eat. Let's eat. Well, we don't get to eat, but we get to see what that sandwich working with. It's a reason. It's a reason why it's world famous, y'all. It's a reason.
Oh man, that's good.
It's good. It's good. It's refreshing.
Oh my.
Do you need anything or?
Thank you, Emma.
Wow. That is a lot of bacon.
Yeah. I love our Reuben, the sauerkraut, the Thousand Island, you know, the marbled rye from Fazio's. It's just my favorite sandwich.
Well,
And
I couldn't come up here and not try the BLT, you know?
100%. Yeah, 100%.
Crown Candy Kitchen has raised the bar. I wonder how I'll ever be satisfied with another bacon sandwich again. Laugh if you will, but I'm serious. So you don't call it a Sunday? You call it a Sunday?
I call it a Sunday.
Okay, why is that? Is that a...
It's just the way I've always said it. You know,
Okay.
I tell people you go to church on Sunday,
Okay.
and then you go have a Sunday.
All right. Yeah, well, it makes sense, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so the fire chief...
chocolate, strawberries, bananas, salted pecans, salted cashews, whipped cream, and a cherry. I love the pecans.
That is good. Topped off with the milkshake. I would need a place to nap soon. When you've worked in a place as long as...
But anyway, y'all, like I said, this is one of my favorite places to eat. Go grab a quick bite. Hey, that bacon sandwich be on point. I have tasted the bacon sandwich. You know, it is good. Like I say, that's my wife's favorite. But I just happen to be a Reuben man or that ham sandwich man, because they got a wonderful ham sandwich there too. And you can't forget about those shakes or those Sundays, or Sundays as he likes to call them. And always grab you a piece of fudge or one of the other delicious candies that they have there before you leave. And also, I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check out this whole video and really see what they got, because they got a lot, y'all, and they take you through the whole process, and you might be interested in checking it out. But anyway, as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.